came from the trash from the restaurants. And wash it almost 3 times before they cook it in the cooking methods. For one order or for one serving of pagpag, it costs 30 pesos and they can be shared by the whole family. This is a fried pagpag. And most of the families under the bridge, they love to eat this one. If you want to buy this and then give it to them, you can.
Oh, okay. I'll buy 3. You keep. Thank you.